Hello viewers, I'm so much happy to see your smiling faces again. Now we will learn some vocabularies. Before start, if you are not a subscriber yet, please subscribe to this channel. Okay, let's start.
说话，说话，他们在说话，他们在说话。四，我们四个人去看电影。我们四个人去看电影。岁，李医生今年40岁。李医生今年40岁。他是我们的老师。他是我们的老师。他，我认识他的妈妈。我认识他的妈妈。太，这个学校太大了。这个学校太大了。天气，今天的天气非常好。今天的天气非常好。听，你听，谁来了？你听，谁来了？同学，同学们，你们好。同学们，你们好。喂，李老师在吗？喂，李老师在吗？
So, this was for today. Practice more and more. And if you like this video, give a like. See you in our next video. Bye bye.